We're at the Meta headquarters and about to give you a little tour.
A little too much.
And we've been figuring out everything as we go, so... Back in August 2025, my coworkers and I decided to travel to San Francisco to visit the Meta headquarters in Menlo Park, and it was incredible. So I wanted to share a little insider look into what it's actually like visiting one of the most famous tech campuses in the world, from the food and the fun to the massive workspaces where the ideas like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp come to life. So there is a tram going to different campuses. We started our day at the Classic campus, also known as the original Facebook campus, badged in the gate, and suddenly we were surrounded by colorful buildings, open plazas, and people biking between meetings. There's a main street lined with cafeterias, dessert shop, a swag store, a gym, and even a barber shop.
It's like $60 in Toronto for a
There you go. We met up with our Bay Area teammates for lunch, which was a whole event on its own. There are so many food options available that it's hard not to get FOMO. You've got cuisines from all over the world: Indian, Italian, Vietnamese, Greek, Middle Eastern, you name it. After lunch, of course, we had to stop by the dessert shop. They had everything from cakes and macarons to frozen yogurt and ice cream. Obviously, we needed to release that energy somehow, and because Meta thinks of everything, there's even an arcade room with the old school game machines, VR headsets, and musical instruments. Did you lose?
Yeah.
You won! We spent a while there just having fun, and afterwards we stopped by the swag shop and picked up some of the Meta branded souvenirs to take back home to Toronto. The Classic campus feels almost like Disneyland, but corporate. Next up, the famous sign at One Hacker Way. I never imagined that I would be here as a fellow Meta mate. It felt like a dream come true. After that, we grabbed the Meta bikes that we unlocked using our work phones and rode over to the Bayfront campus, where our Bay Area colleagues were resuming their regular workday while we, Team Canada, were enjoying a tour mode day. It's just a short ride away, but the vibe there is totally different. Bayfront is home to engineering and Instagram, and it's way more modern and minimalistic. Walking through Bayfront, you can tell it was built with sustainability in mind. Huge windows for natural light, solar panels, and tons of open space. Parking on the ground, offices raised above on concrete legs, and a 9-acre rooftop park on the top. It is one of the largest green roofs in the country, designed to reduce energy use and connect nature with workspaces. From up there, you can see the entire Bay Area and really take in how massive this campus is. Every corner had cozy sitting areas, art installations, or quiet corners for focus time. It is easy to get lost here, and we definitely did a few times. We stopped by another pop-up shop where you could try the Ray-Ban smart glasses and VR headsets.
It has tracking for eye tracking and stuff, so now like you have an avatar and it will like be very accurate. Yeah.
Does it read emotions too?
Mm-hmm.
Then explored more of the campus.
Laundry service?
We passed libraries, lounge areas, co-working zones, micro kitchens stocked with snacks, and a bunch of themed meeting rooms with funky names. The idea was to make it feel welcoming, energetic, and full of life. This campus really does feel like its own little world. Like a little town with its own cafes, restaurants, even acupuncture, health center, laundry, grooming services. A senior Meta employee who's been with the company for over 10 years was kind to offer us a mini tour near the executive management area. We even walked past the Mark Zuckerberg's office. No. That we obviously couldn't get in because our badges wouldn't work. Then the dinner time came. We grabbed a meal at another cafeteria that was open specifically for the dinner hours, then headed down to the ground level to catch our shuttle back to San Francisco. Comfortable seats, a washroom aboard, and even monitors to continue working while in transit, which is crazy. The Meta headquarters is so big that one day isn't really enough to explore it all. We didn't even make it to the Chico campus, which is home to Reality Labs and likely Messenger. But even after a full day, it really hit me how intentional everything here is. Every design choice, every open space, every detail is about building a place where people actually want to show up and create. It's not just a workplace, it's an ecosystem, one that blurs the line between work, life, and innovation. So that's a wrap on our tour of the Meta headquarters in Menlo Park, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to see a day in my life as a Meta employee in Toronto offices. Thanks for watching, and until next time.